Are you an aspiring elementary teacher that needs help preparing for Praxis Elementary Math Content Knowledge 7813, numbers and operations, solving real-world problems with equal groups, arrays, interpreting remainders? If so, I think you'll find this video helpful. My name is Tom, and I am a test prep expert here at Study.com and a certified teacher, and I will walk you through some of the problems you may see on the test. Okay, are you ready? Let's take a look at some of the problems. A garden has 5 rows of tomato plants. Each row has 7 plants. How many tomato plants are in the garden? Is it A, 30, B, 35, C, 40, or D, 45? Okay, so I'm going to make an array. I'm going to use red to represent the tomato plants. So I have 5 rows with 7 plants each. So I've got 7 plants, and then I'm going to have 5 rows. So this is my second row. So setting up a visual for students is helpful of the arrays. Okay, so now this is my 5th row. So we can see here we have 5 rows of 7 plants, and the calculation would be multiplication. So we're going to take the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. 5 times 7 is 35. So the correct answer is B. Librarian needs to pack 58 books into boxes that each hold 8 books. How many full boxes can she pack, and how many books will be left over? Is it A, 7 full boxes with 2 books left over, B, 7 full boxes with 3 books left over, C, 8 full boxes with 2 books left over, or D, 8 full boxes with 3 books left over? All right, so this is a concept of division with quotient and remainder. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 58 books, and we're going to divide it by 8. Okay, so 8 goes into 58 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56, and then our remainder would be 2. So we're teaching the students the concept of the quotient, which would be 7. So there's 7 full boxes, so that eliminates choice C and D. And then our remainder is 2, so that means there are 2 books left over. So our correct answer here is choice A. A baker has 48 cupcakes and wants to pack them equally into boxes of 6 cupcakes each. How many boxes will she fill? Is it A6, B7, C8, or D9? All right, so this is another division, but we're going to see here that we're going to have equal boxes. So that means we're going to have a quotient with no remainder. So the operation here is we're going to divide the 48 by 6, and 48 divided by 6 is 8 with no remainder. So there are 8 equal boxes to fill. So the correct answer here is C. A group of 34 students is being divided into groups of 5 for a classroom activity. After forming the groups, there will be 4 students left over. The teacher asks, what does the remainder of 4 represent in this situation? This strategy primarily supports A, memorization of division facts, B, procedural fluency of division, C, mental math skills, or D, conceptual understanding through contextual reasoning. All right, so let's eliminate some possibility. So choice B says procedural fluency of division. Well, that is going through and doing the mechanics of the division, so that doesn't necessarily answer the question, what does the remainder of 4 represent in this situation? So I'm going to eliminate that. The same thing with A and C, memorization of division facts. That does not apply to being able to explain what the 4 represents. Same thing with mental math skills. So the correct answer here is conceptual understanding through contextual reasoning. So the contextual reasoning is this story problem that the teacher came up with, and having students think about that and what does the 4 represent. So the correct answer here is D. Okay, that is a sample of some of the types of problems you may see using numbers and operations, solving real-world problems with equal groups, arrays, interpreting remainders. For more practice, check out our Praxis Elementary Math Content Knowledge 7813 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates, and please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.